Recording again. This question here, right, what you're going to notice is it's a diagram, okay? Now, it's a diagram using material we've already covered. So I'll give you an example. The first one is, here's a pattern made with matchsticks. The first one has 5, the next one has 7, the one after that has 9. You can see that the gap every time is 2. This is the first pattern, this is the second pattern, this is the third pattern. What's the fourth pattern have? 11, and the fifth pattern will have 13. It's easy enough. Find a expression for the number of matchsticks in the nth pattern. How do we do that? Use the Tn formula. What's the A value? What's the D value? D value is 2. Multiply in by 2. What do we get?
5 plus 2n minus 2.
5 plus 2n minus 2. And we can get 2n plus 3. Now, in which pattern are there 51 matchsticks? Now, you might be inclined to do something like this. You get your calculator out, your gigantic calculator, and you get 5. 5 is the first sequence, right? 7 is sequence number 2. 9 is sequence number 3. Sequence 4, sequence 5, sequence 6, sequence 7, sequence 8, sequence 9, sequence 10, sequence 11, sequence 12, sequence 13, sequence 14, sequence 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Our answer should be the 24th sequence, okay? Now, how do you prove that? How do you show that? So, what we're going to do is, whatever we do, n must be equal to 24. Do you got it? So, therefore, Tn is equal to 2n plus 3. 2n plus 3 must equal 51. Therefore, 2n equals 51 minus 3. 2n must equal 48, and therefore must be 24, exactly as predicted. Okay? Next one. Tommy builds a fence using pieces of wood. Okay, how much in fence 1? Anybody? 4. Fence 2? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Fence 3, it tells you there's 10, doesn't there? Now we have to sketch fence 5. Fence 4 would look like this, wouldn't it? And fence 5 would look something like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sort of vertical units. Alright, what's the difference here between these ones, guys? 3. The next one must be? After that? 19. Complete the table. Done. Find the n expression. How do you get the n expression again? 1 times d. A is 4 and d is 3. Multiply in. You're going to get 4 plus 3n minus 3. Therefore, Tn must be 1 plus 3n, or 3n plus 1. Done. How many pieces of wood are needed for a fence length of 40? How do you do that? This means Tn must equal 40. 1 plus 3n equals 40. Bring over the 1. 3n equals 39, and therefore must be equal to 13th. It's the 13th pattern. Okay? If 91 pieces of wood are needed, what is the number of the fence length? 91. So this means Tn equals 91. 1 plus 3n equals 91. 3n, therefore, when you bring over the 1, equals 90. And therefore must be equal to 30. Okay, guys. For homework tonight,